In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through an advanced tricep exercise, which is the TRX dip. So although this is a bodyweight exercise, we've got a lot of variability going on here. So when you're doing the exercise, you're going to feel all sorts of shaking as your body tries to steady the TRX that you don't have when you do a bench dip because the bench doesn't move. The TRX is going to feel like it's all over the place when you first do this exercise. When you're setting up the handles, the best way that I look at this is I'm going to be in this position, right? I'm then going to bring my feet forwards, I'm going to be on my heels, and I'm going to come back and forwards into flexion and extension of the elbow. So where my hand is when I'm standing should be able to completely grip this TRX handle. So in terms of your handle height, think of if you're standing up straight, where your hands are naturally should be the height of your handles. From here, you're going to step into the middle of the handles. Make sure you're center line onto the TRX. So if you stand one side to the TRX or the other side, it's going to affect this exercise massively. It's going to make it much harder. Once you are completely in line with that TRX, start to create some tension before you walk out. And then once you've steadied your balance, you're going to bring your arms from that straight position to bent and back up, keeping your body as straight as you can through the legs. So make sure you're not using the hips to be able to cheat, and you're using the hips to bring yourself up. That's how to do a TRX dip, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.